Are you interested in making your own flower press-on set? I know you are. So stay right there, do not exit out, and enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? In this video, I will be showing you how to make your own flower design press-ons. As you can see, I'm using fun tack to place on a display stand, both purchased on Amazon. I will link down below. You will need nail files, buffers, and sand files. Full cover press-ons, fun tack, a tweezer, the color of your choice, your top coat, and your base coat. Alcohol pads, flower set for nails, and nail glue. Also, the display stand for your nails. Okay, so the very first thing that you're going to do is find nails that fits your nail. You want to make sure that it covers your whole entire nail. As you can see, I'm taking the nail and I'm pushing my cuticle back a bit. This will help make putting on the nail a lot smoother. And it gives the impression that your nail is coming out of your cuticle rather than it just being slapped on. So I continue to do this with all my nails. After that's done, I'm going to buff up the nail itself just to create a bit of texture, roughness. In the nail file kit that I got from Amazon, it came with 2 7-step filers to shape, sand, and smoothen the nail. I repeat step 1 through 6 on all nails. That's the more tedious step, and I'm glad that's over with. Moving on. You're going to take your alcohol pad and you're going to clean off your nails to remove any dust or particles from your nail that will make it bumpy when you apply your nail polish. Now you're going to apply your base coat. I took out my ring finger because that's one of the nails that I will be applying flowers to. The flowers do come a bit big, so I break them up and apply them separately onto the nail. I apply them while the base coat is drying, so there is some sort of adhesive. At this point, you can mix and match, you can fill it up, you can leave it empty. It all depends on how you want your nail to look with the flowers. A little trick that I use, if the base coat begins to dry too much, I just add top coat to the area that I want to continue to add flowers on. And voila! I'm done for now. I'm gonna go ahead and paint the rest of my nails with the color that I chose. The nail polish is Essie and the color is Mademoiselle. It is a very nude, natural looking color. I love it. I also will be adding flowers to my middle finger. It's just that I'm doing this one a little bit differently. Seeing that I already applied Essie onto it, I'm going to put the flowers over it. When I reach my desired look, I will add a second layer of Essie nail polish. Now that I'm finished putting on flowers on my middle finger and my ring finger, I'm going to add a second layer to the rest of the nails. Because Mademoiselle is a bit light, I'm going to go in with a third layer. Now it's time to do the top coat. I let the other nails dry a bit, so I'm working on the nails that I originally put the flowers on first. And this is how your nails will look. Make sure that your nails are clean and shaved and filed down. So I let the nails dry for about 2 to 3 hours, and now I'm ready to apply them. You're going to take the glue and you're going to put it on your nail and not the nail itself, all over your nail bed. While pressing on the nail, you're going to push it as close up to your cuticle as possible. Then press down on it just to make sure that it is securely placed. And repeat that for all your nails. This step is very important, and I'm a bit out of frame, but this is one of the steps that I should have done in the beginning, and that is shaping the press-on nail to your nail. I do believe it could be done in the beginning and at the end. This makes your nail look a lot more realistic than your average press-ons. Using nail polish can distort the shape a little bit, so I'm just going over it, making sure that everything is edged out straight and fine. And that's all, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.